As usual, I wake up with things. I just woke up now, 3:30 or so, and it came to me that there's room on the head for two crowns. When that's stated in the Talmud, what does that mean? It means that two pair of tefillin can be worn on the head. But greater than that, what does it mean when you see someone wear two hats? They wear a yarmulke and then like a more like full hat. That's a symbol of the two crowns of tefillin. And what does it actually mean? Again, everything is what does it actually mean as you go deeper and deeper into symbolisms. And so it means that you have the two worlds, the world of Atzilut world, which is the world of nearness. So that would be the lower tefillin, if there's two, and it would be the yarmulke, the lower hat, rather than the kind of like, top hat. And so it comes from, it would symbolize two aspects of the soul, the chaya from the Atzilut world, and then the top hat would be the Yehida from the Adam Kadmon world, the fifth world, Keta. And so we have Keta and we have Chokmah. And so the gematria of Keta is 620, gematria of Chokmah is 73. That's 693, plus the letters of Keter is 3 and Chokmah is 4. And so that's 7 letters. And so that's 700. 693 plus 7 letters is 700, and that's the gematria of Set. Shet, the substitute for Hevel. And in the name Moses, it's Moses, Shet, Hevel. But the point is that's 700. Now if I add 2 words, that's 702. That's Shabbat. And if I add one more for the all, that's 703. That's Even. That's the Even, the foundation stone. And Even, as foundation stone, contains both Av and Ben. And that comes from the two terms of Chokmah and Keta. And the first letters of Chokmah and Keta are Kaf, Het, Koach, 28, which symbolizes the 28 letters as I've counted them in the first verse of the Torah. It's 22 letters plus six words. That's how we get the Koach. And the letter Bet of Bereshis refers to the two heads Bet, and then Reshis refers to the two heads. And these are the two surrounding lights. The first one, the highest, is Atzilut, it's nearness. It's near the body. But the Yehida is far. Almost someone who's on a far journey. Who's exempt from Pesach. And the concept of far, it's the second hat. It's the external. So tefillin is basically these two lights from the external world, and we should know that because the cubes are the tefillin. The cube, in my opinion, comes from the Yehida world, the Yehida of the Adam Kadmon world. It's represented by Keta. And it's obviously the crown that's above the body. That's what these words mean. Ein Sof is also 207, which could be Zah, which means crown. And it has to be with a Nazir also, who's a crown. So this is, separated from the body. The Nazir's hair is also a crown. But these two souls, you see, are energetic surrounding lights. And this is what comes to me in the morning. And when you look out the window, try to guess what time it is whenever you get up in the middle of the night or look out a window. Try to get in touch with nature. As I'm looking in this room, the room always represents surrounding lights because a room is usually square. Remember, your clothes are the near surrounding lights. They're external from the body. But the true surrounding light is, the fifth surrounding light is external from that. And this is how you absorb vibrations into your body. From these externals. So you have three souls and three amos and three everything in the body. The nefesh, the ruach, and the neshama. But from the external lights, that information has to come from outside, which this is for you. External information that you can absorb has to come from outside. That's why it's external. This is a deep concept that has to do with the societal and everything else. Every day is a new adventure, in a new aspect of the worlds. As you remove your barriers, your blockages, as you permit yourself to enter into the mysteries. There's much to say on this. The great mystery is in the number Echad, 13. 13 is 1. The 4, 13, Echad, becomes the 4, which is the large dalet. In simple gematria, 13 is 4, and that's the dalet. You see? So there's so much. I feel compelled to talk to to fill up these times. But always remember that the real learning is in the spaces between the words. The white space in the Torah is the real learning. And the dark spaces are there as symbols for you to understand the white space. You know? Remember in the old days, Jesse James or whatever it was, don't shoot till you see the whites of their eyes. It's the same thing with reading the Torah, the white. Learn how to read the white, and that the ink is only so you'll see the white of the page. So you'll understand the white of the page. The ink, the words, the signs, the symbols to absorb the white of the page.